Hi there, I'm Hao, and this is just another video of me solving random leet code problem. We have two Furthest house with different colors. So we are given an array of colors of length n, and where's colors of I, of index I, is the color of the ith house. So the index is the house, right? So this is an array, right, of colors, house 0, house 1, and the value at that index is going to be the color of the house. And we need to return the maximum distance between two houses, the maximum distance between two houses with different colors, right? Right, so we can start from the two end, right, with the left and the right pointer, right? We will always compare, let's see, let me change color. We will always compare, if we go from left to right, right, we will always compare the house at the left pointer and the rightmost house, the rightmost house here, right? If they have different color, then we will just return the distance between them, right? Right. In this case, it's just n minus one minus left, right? It is left to right, right? And we will always stop in the middle. We're not gonna go more than half. Okay. And if we go from and we also need to go from right to left in the meantime, right? Um we always compare the house at the right pointer and the leftmost house, right? If they have different color, then we will just return the right pointer, the right index. But if we have something like in this case, right, left and right, they will always have the same color, right? If we move to the right, this house and this house always have the same color, like this. This house and this house. When we move the left pointer, this house and the last house always have the same color, right? When we get to the middle, like this, and the left and the right overlap, right? It we will return n divided by 2, right? Floor the floor of n divided by 2, because we are guaranteed that there's at least two house with different colors, right? So in the worst case, um we will return n divided by 2, like in example 1 here, which is 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, right? And we floor that, which is 3. If we have, let's say, if we have like the same color, but let's say is this house is green, for example, right? Then we will notice immediately when the right pointer get to here, right? We compare the right pointer to the first house, right? And we will return the distance immediately, right? Similarly, uh, if the left pointer is here, right, and we notice that this house is green, right, then we will also notice that the two houses are different and return it immediately. Okay, so that is pretty straightforward. So let's just go to the up. We have our n length, which is color dot length, and we need our left and right pointer. Left is 0, and then right is n minus 1. Okay, so y left is left and less than right. We will increment left and decrement right at the same time, right? And we will return the floor of n divided by 2 at the end. If we run in like a case like in for example, where the two house on the edge or the stem up until the middle point. Okay, and then we want to check, right, if colors at the left index, we always compare the left the house at the left to the last house on the right, right? If the color is different than the last house on the right, then we return immediately. We just add -1, minus left, -1. If colors on the right, right, is different than we always compare the color of the at the right index to the color of the first hash. If they are different, we will return immediately. All right, so this is like a greedy approach, right? We start on the 2n, uh, right? For the right pointer, right? We move the right pointer, and we always keep the distance to. We will always compare the right pointer to the left half as the right pointer iterating from right to left, right? Because that is the maximum. It is the maximum distance that we can find, right? And if the house have the same color, then we go one more to the left, one more to the left, right? Same for the left pointer. The largest distance we can have is the 2n of the array, right? As we move the left pointer 1 unit to the right, right? We only look at the house on the right because it is the largest distance we can find, right? If it have the same color, we just move one more unit to the right, so on and so forth. And remember that we will guarantee that little house have the different colors. So this is one pass of n runtime and it work. Thank you for watching.